Hi, my Lego friends. I just want to give y'all a quick tutorial on how to read a simple Lego manual. So this is called a Lego manual, okay? So in the Lego manual, you'll have the title, you'll have the Lego logo, which is right here. You'll have what you're going to be building on the front, okay? And each time you get, for example, each time you get to a new build or a new process in that particular build, this is what it's gonna look like. So you'll have, right here is where you'll know you're starting a whole new section of the Lego build, okay? So like currently right now, probably sometime tonight, I'll be on number 7, okay? So it's gonna show you, you'll go into your box, this box right here. This is a box. Inside the box has all the different bags, okay? Well, I have already grabbed number 7. It's simple. You go on here, you grab number 7. Number 7 actually comes with 2 bags. You'll have a little bag here and a big bag there. Some of them will come with 2, some of them will come with 1. But here are the 2 bags. So this is each number 7. So you grab your bags, right? And all you do is you're a visual person. You go by step by step by step, okay? And before you start building here, it's going to show you what pieces in bag number 7 to grab. So I would have to, and it tells you, when you see an X, that means how many to get. So for example, it's showing you, here's your box key, all right? Your pieces key, as I call it. This is very important because it's going to tell you each of these have different circles. This one has 5, this one has 7. So be very, very careful. And each is going to tell you a number of how many holes and what size to get. That's very, very, very important, okay? So for example, when I start building tonight, I'm gonna get 5 of these little black ones. I'm gonna get 1 of these 5 black long oval looking thing. And then I'm gonna get 1 of the 7 hole one. And then I'm gonna get 2 of these turquoise blue oval things. And each time, once I've got my pieces together, laid over here, then I'm gonna simply start following this step number 1, step number 2, 3, and 4, and then I turn the page to page 136, 136, and then I proceed, and then now here's what you'll find too, before you proceed to step number 2, is you'll have an add-on. So you'll see that, and when you see the big picture of what you're building, it's simply wanting you to add an add-on to that build. So it said, when you point here, anything highlighted red right here, if you look closely how it's highlighted kind of red, outline red, that's where you start putting in your new addition to what you built to your creation. And then you move on to the next steps, and it goes on and on. Also, too, I want to point out, too, when you're reading a manual, it's going to show you up here what you're going to be building within that step. So I'm ultimately, for the next step, I'm going to be building this. But anyway, back over here, it's very, very laid out. Just take your time. Make sure you're counting holes, lengths, size and lengths. All that matters to building a successful typewriter, of which I'm building now. But anyway, day number 3 will be built sometime later tonight. So stay tuned and talk to you later.